Hey guys, I decided to make a quick video. Uh, like some of you may know this, but I actually have two channels here on YouTube. Um, take like since my blacksmithing video, since my blacksmithing channel isn't doing as well, I'm still gonna be posting some videos on that one, but I'm gonna be doing more blacksmithing videos on my main channel, which is this one. Not to mention, like, my YouTube account hasn't been letting me go on to my YouTube account hasn't been letting me go onto my blacksmithing account, so that I can't be posting I'm not able to post videos on that about blacksmithing, so I'll be posting them on this channel. So yeah, I'm gonna get some rest, upload another video that about YouTubers that inspired me. That video will be up first, and yeah, hopefully, again, it still comes off as blue. This is bullshit. And yeah, I'm gonna get some rest. And peace out.